What's up guys, it's Danny from Pyroman Dan 2, and this is a What's Inside video for the M-5000 Salute Crackers by World Class Fireworks. Now I'm sure nobody thinks that it's really this big for having the fuse coming out the top here. Well, you'd be right, it's already coming apart here. Let's pull this top off, pop that off, pop the cap off. Alright, let's look in there. Wow, look at that little firecracker inside of there. Let's see if we can. Alright, well I'm going to cut this out of here and show you guys what's inside there. And there it is guys, look at that firecracker here. You can get a little bit of a better look at it. Alright, so I'm going to pull this out the rest of the way and then we're going to go outside and light it and see if it's any less loud. Alright, let's check it out guys. Alright guys, here it is all pulled out. And yeah, so it's pretty much just like basically a little firecracker. Like maybe like, feels like the same paper that Mighty Crackers are made out of, maybe a little bit thicker. Looks just like a small little firecracker. And then it was put in there, see, there's the, right there. Alright, so this is really what an M-5000 Salute Cracker is. Let's go see how it does. I'm almost wondering if the cardboard casing, I'm sure that probably makes it a little bit louder. But let's go see how it does without it. See you out there guys. Alright guys, now we're going to compare the clips, one without the tube and one with the tube. Alright, I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comments, but I definitely thought it was louder with the tube. Alright guys, thanks for watching this What's Inside video.